Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add timer or stopwatch to your video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add timer to this video. If you want to add timer, first of all, we need to go to the stock material and we're going to get timer from here. You just need to type in timer like this and there will be some results for you, and then you can choose the timer that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with this one guys. I'm going to add this timer to my video. Okay, I'm going to add it to the second layer. Alright, and then I'm going to blend it with my video. I'm gonna go to the blend mode and I'm going to select brighten. Okay, and this is the result. And you can adjust the timer according to your needs guys. You can edit the timer as creative as you can on your CapCut project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add timer to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.